Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I am LaDonna J. If you are new, hello, hi, welcome. I am LaDonna J. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you are not new, hey y'all, what's going on? How y'all doing? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you are not already. So for today's video, if I can talk, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this cute, trendy, half up, half down hairstyle, very 90s inspired, very simple, very easy, very cute, and affordable. Y'all know about the affordable over here. It is with a synthetic wig. I've been seeing this look with quick weave, with human hair, curly hair, all types of hair, but I have not seen a synthetic wig. So y'all know we were doing synthetic reviews. So I had to do one for you guys. I just had to. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm not going to be talking through the video. I'm just going to let y'all watch and vibe out. Any questions, comment them down below. I will link everything in the description box, so make sure to check that out. So yeah, y'all, that is pretty much all that I need to say because it is self-explanatory. But like I said, if you have any questions, comment down below, let me know, and I will for sure to answer. I love talking to y'all. So let's just go ahead and just watch the video. Let me know how you enjoy it. Thumbs it up. I am not gonna lie, y'all can't tell me this synthetic wig did not blend as if it was virgin hair. Y'all better get you one of these wigs. One of these wigs, I'm gonna link it down below. Y'all better get you one of these. A lace synthetic wig. I'm telling you, if you don't do nothing else, get this wig. I promise you. I promise you. You will not be disappointed. But I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let y'all watch me do this cute style. And I'll see you guys in my next one, beautiful people. Stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not pay that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rats. We in Atlanta, I buy her weed. She telling me Tay is the best. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer, but you only want from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't get stretched. Bring Drakes to the hood. Surround Drake, around Drakes. Even though I got a case, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? When he tell the story, that's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of risk and forgot about the bit. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. That baby dead and now they won't get it. Yeah. Party still beating, my niggas still eating. Backyard it look like the garden eating. Pillow talk with him, she's spilling the tea. And shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
that on, we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. No, she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the choice. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep this shit. If I catch you not off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna.